as I say that, I get an order from the habit. I'm going to accept it no matter what. I don't even know how much it's going to be. Let's see what it is. I may shoot myself in the foot. $3! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another daily dash. I literally just got done getting tattooed. Got some more ink done. It comes all the way to my back now. And the lion is basically done. Like, I've been working on this lion for like a year now, and it's finally pretty much done. I mean, I would say it's done. It just depends on if everything heals correct. You can tell some of it's really dark because that's the part that just got touched up and all the detail got done. Anyways, enough about the tattoo, but shout out to my tattoo guy, Jeff Parkway in Las Vegas. He is fucking amazingly good. Like, I don't know. That's amazing. Super cool. Anyway, so today we are talking about Doordash flaws because first of all, like, I know there's no app is going to be perfect. They're all going to have their flaws. Like Postmates has no end to the amount of flaws they have. They're just fucking up left and right. Postmates sucks. But we're going to talk about Doordash because I think Doordash is like the cream of the crop. I don't know. Grubhub's pretty good too. I've never done Grubhub, so I don't really know, but I've only heard good things about them, and I believe their system's pretty similar. If you guys do Doordash and Grubhub, let me know in the comments down below what the differences is or which one you prefer. I think Doordash, since they kind of have the monopoly on the delivery industry, they are probably just going to always, I mean, as long as they keep their quality up, they're always going to do much better. They do have 50% of the entirety of orders that come in from delivery. That's a lot, you know, 50% when there's 4 businesses. The other ones are kind of fighting over that last 50%. But so the first flaw that comes to my mind, and comment down below what flaws you guys think Doordash has. That's my question of the day. Comment down below what you think Doordash needs to fix. The first thing that comes to my mind is a lot of times when they give you double orders. So like, let's say they'll give me, for yesterday, I was doing a double order from Five Guys. It told me, and this isn't really a bad thing, it made the order seem worse than it actually was. It was better. So what they said was, so I accepted one order, it's like $6 for 3 miles. And then they give me another order that delivers like right down the street from the first house. But they say for an additional $7, it's 7 more miles of driving, which didn't make sense. That meant that I had to come back and get it and then go back, and no offense, but you'd have to be pretty dumb to not pick up both of the orders at one restaurant and come back and do it again. Like, I think there might be something wrong with you if you go and deliver to a house and then come back to the same exact restaurant when both the orders came in around the same time. So that's like the main flaw, that because that happens to me all the time. And I mean, obviously I notice it. I'm like, oh, well, I can just tell that Vegas is only 10 miles long. If I'm going here, like, it's only, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm going to think of some more flaws, and I'm going to put my jacket on because this freaking tattoo, every time the sun hits it, burns. Look at how cool that Space Needle thing is. The stratosphere. Alright, changed my mind. I tried putting on the shirt. It actually hurts more having the shirt on. So the second thing that I wanted to talk about that is one of Doordash's flaws for sure is that I really hate that when you're dashing in one specific area and you get an order that takes you out of that area, you can't get any more orders in the other area, you know? Like, for example, if I'm dashing in Green Valley, which is like southeast Vegas area, and I get an order that takes me to Summerlin, which is like northwest, opposite, you know? I cannot get any orders until I drive all the way back there, and that kind of sucks, and it's kind of a flaw because, like, in a way, I'm not gonna, like, me as someone who knows the system, I'm not gonna accept orders that take me out of the dashing area. It just doesn't make any sense because then I gotta drive all the way back. So I think they should fix that. I think once you log in, you know, like, just give people orders wherever they go. That's how I think it should be, because yeah, I'm not going to take orders that take me out of my dashing area. It doesn't make any sense, and it's bad for them, and it's bad for the dashers, so it should be a win-win to just kind of fix that one. One of the coolest things about Vegas is like there's all this crazy architecture and like yeah, just looking around, like I can see like the Trump building. I mean, you may hate him or love him, but this gigantic fucking gold building looks kind of sick. There's also like the Wynn. It's like this like curvy, it's like a curve. I don't know, the Wynn's pretty freaking cool too. They're all cool. Like I have a great view of the all the buildings. Check this out. I'll show you this thing. It's gonna be more exposed, but yeah, there's like bam, that's what I'm talking about. That's the only building I can see right here. So I don't know, that's one of the coolest things about living in Las Vegas is like all the architecture. And like, I mean, of course the beautiful thing about Vegas is it's always alive, you know? I mean, it was before COVID, actually. I have to take that back because there's not shit to do anymore. Alright, but anyways, so we are actually driving back towards my house. I'm in the north area of Vegas, not super north, more like middle, and now I'm driving back towards the south area where I live, and then we're gonna go to the gym. It's a horrible time to be dashing right now. It is 1:45. We tried to do this yesterday, didn't get shit for orders. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I do have a dash that I scheduled in Southwest Vegas, which is where my gym is, at 2:30, which is in 45 minutes because it's 1:45. And I'm just going to turn into a ghost as the sun makes me disappear. Okay, now it's too bright to to talk to the camera. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when I get home because I'm about to sneeze. Sneezing is a dangerous thing to do when driving. It's very dangerous. There's nothing worse than going to sneeze and then you don't sneeze. That's the worst. Look at how cool that looks. It's gonna rain in Vegas. It never rains in Vegas. Hold on. Much better. Yeah, it's gonna rain pretty soon, which is awesome because it never rains. And I wasn't gonna do anything today anyways because my arm hurts now. But we are going to the gym though. Gonna get a leg day in because, I mean, obviously I shouldn't be working out my upper body. Maybe I shouldn't be working out at all, but I'm going to because I didn't really work out hard yesterday. And, I mean, you gotta work out the legs for the ladies, you know? The ladies like the booties too, you know? I think they do. Yes, we're gonna go do a quick leg day. My dash is about to start, and we are going to be dashing in Southwest Las Vegas, which essentially I'm just gonna wait for a, what is it? The chicken place. Wingstop. I'm just gonna wait for a Wingstop order to come in because the gym is right next to Wingstop and I'm always getting orders from Wingstop at the gym. So, about to log in, do one order today. Okay, another flaw that I thought of for DoorDash is, wow, weather is getting crazy over here and the road is super bumpy, so probably couldn't really hear what I was saying. Anyway, so another flaw from DoorDash. 1 second. Alright, another flaw from DoorDash is I really think they gotta figure out this, like, they gotta stop sending people $3 orders, because, like, come on now, what the fuck is that shit? Like, has anyone ever done a $3 order? Like, let me know in the comments below if you've ever done a $3 order. But why are they even offering that? That doesn't make any sense. Tell the customer to fuck off. Tell them they need to at least tip $2, you know? Or figure it out. There's got to be a way for them to, like, just charge the customer $2 more, you know? Why would you even consider sending anyone an order that says $3? $5 minimum. I'll take maybe a $5 order if it's for, like, 1 mile. But, dude, come on now. What's up with $3 orders? Anyone watching these videos better not be taking $3 orders. You know better. You know better. We don't do that kind of stuff. We don't do dumb stuff like that. Anyways, all right, we are pulling up to the gym. Drinking this pre-workout. Garden of Life just sent me new shaker bottles. Garden of Life is my health sponsor for those of you who are new. They're light blue. Not gonna lie, I kind of liked having the black ones, but that's just because I only wear black and white mainly on a daily basis. But yeah, it's pretty good though. Pretty good shaker bottle. I like the Garden of Life shaker bottles. They're high quality. They really, you hear that? Some shaker bottles don't close all the way. Super annoying. Anyways, we're pulling up to the gym. The gym is the same colors as my shaker bottle. Of course. All right, we'll be right back. Yo, they have a $4 upcharge right now for people delivering to the strip, and hopefully it's because more Dashers are watching my channel and they're like, I ain't delivering to the strip. I don't care how much you pay me. I'm not delivering to the strip. You'd have to have $20 minimum on orders for me to deliver to the strip. And even then, I still don't think I would do it because of how much of a headache it is. Like, not doing it. All right, we are going into the gym. Just got an order. Check this out. $3.75 for 3.5 miles. Who is going to do that? That's what I'm talking about. This is one of the flaws of DoorDash. Who's going to do that shit? Just left the gym. It is 2:59. My dash ends in 1 minute. If I get any order within the next 60 seconds, as I say that, I get an order from the habit. I'm going to accept it no matter what. I don't even know how much it's going to be. Let's see what it is. I may shoot myself in the foot. $3! All right. I said I was going to take it. I'm going to take it. But I'm not going to like it. I'm not going to like it at all. I'm going to do this order just to prove a point. All right, it's 3 o'clock now. I accepted an order for $3, okay? Horrible. I shouldn't have said that I was going to take that, but I'm going to take it just for the entertainment of the vlog. And I'm going to be really upset with it if it requires... I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. No, it's delivering to a hotel. And it's on the 3rd floor. No. Alright, fine. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Alright, I'm going to do it. Fuck you. $3. They better tip. I swear to God, they better tip. And the only reason that I'm taking this is because it says it's to a tattoo parlor. And maybe they'll be like, ooh, look at that new tattoo on your arm. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I'm only taking this because I said I would take it, and I'm gonna prove a point to show you guys how, I'm gonna send this video to DoorDash and be like, fuck off. This is what you're having people do. You're having people like... Okay, I'm not gonna complain too much. The only reason that I'm doing this is because I don't really make very much money off of DoorDash, I'll be honest. I only do a few orders a day, like 4 to 5 orders a day. Usually I just make $70 or whatever and call it quits. It's not my main source of income. So I'm doing this for the entertainment of the vlog. So essentially I'm getting paid to entertain you guys. So $3 of entertainment. Okay, we're gonna do this order and I'm gonna be really upset with it. $3. God damn it. All right, you know what? No, I'm not doing it. I walked in, they said it's gonna be 10 more minutes till the order's ready. I can't do it, no. And then I thought about it for a second while I was sitting in the restaurant, you know, they told me it was gonna be 10 more minutes, and I was like, ooh, I don't think I'm doing it. And then I looked and I was like, no label, it's like some music studio, and then they're asking me to walk to the 3rd floor or whatever, and I'm like, no, fuck off of that shit. Like, if you are freaking paying people $3, like, if you really think that that's even a reasonable thing to do, then you can fuck off. So today I'm going to end this dash list or daily dash with a just kind of taking a stand, you know, like I was going to do it. I swear. I showed up to the restaurant and then they told me it was going to be 10 more minutes, and I'm like, no, I got better things that I can do for the, I don't know, for the next 10 minutes than to just wait around for an order that's going to pay me $3. Plus it's 5 miles, so that's like, no, it's just not worth it, you know. So hopefully, I hope their order's late, you know. People should not be asking you to deliver stuff for them for $3. And if you're doing that and you're planning on tipping them cash in person, that's a horrible idea, you know. Because who is going to accept a $3 order? You know, you're going to get the worst dasher in the world. No offense to anyone who's watching this who accepts $3 orders. Anyways, I'm going to end it right there. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing and give this video a like if you don't take $3 orders, you know? So everyone should like this video. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. We'll see you in the next one. Check out offaxisacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. Use the discount code offaxistanner. We'll see you in the next one. It's bright as fuck. See ya. Peace.